Hi, we are Team JAS, and this is Sprint 3 First Learning Prototype. So our project addresses the difficulty beginners face when turning pantry items into meals. One specific use case you can think of is Sarah, a college student, wants to save money and eat healthier, but feels stuck when recipes assume that she has advanced skills, missing ingredients, or special tools. She needs a solution that adapts to what she has, provides substitutions, and provides simple, accessible instructions all in one place. Our solution provides users with a simple and intuitive way to track current inventory of cooking ingredients and provides a low-friction way to turn these ingredients into real recipes using an integrated AI model. What differentiates our approach is catering to beginners who might not be knowledgeable when it comes to cooking and designing our app in a way that focuses on intuitive design and functional features. Our primary concern with this sprint was building a prototype that we could put in the hands of actual users and get a sense of how they felt interacting with it. We knew that our biggest hurdle would be getting users to go through the process of manually adding ingredients, so we wanted to build the app and see how users responded. More importantly, we wanted to learn what stood out to users as being a missing feature in our prototype to better guide our next sprint. The particular use case that we explored in this prototype was the introduction of setting up the value proposition, telling the user why they're here and why they should use our product. Next becomes adding ingredients, which in this iteration we had to do manual input. Next is recipe discovery, where the AI model matches the user with recipes matching the ingredients they currently have. From there, the AI model will provide several different recipes to select from, which we didn't do in this iteration. We just did one single returned recipe. And then from there, we plan to implement step-by-step guided cooking. So these are a couple of mock-ups that we based this prototype on. So on the left here, we have a kitchen assistant where you add your ingredients into your inventory, and then on the right side, where it shows your pantry, and then it suggests recipes off of those. So for a quick demo, I have the main screen of our Pantry Manager app. As you can see here, it shows any recent items that have been added, and then it gives a quick dashboard where it shows items that are expiring soon, and then how many total items in your pantry. And if we want, we can generate a recipe, which is using OpenAI's API. So if we hit that, it goes to generate recipe. We hit generate recipe again. And it spits out a beef and strawberry sandwich. Yum. So from there, we can go directly to the pantry menu, which shows all of the current items in our pantry, and this is where we also add items. And that is it for the initial prototype. So what we learned for this prototype is, first of all, for testing, we conducted initial walkthroughs of app features with each participant. We then asked them to complete several tasks on their own in no particular time limit. This allowed them to explore the app in any way they saw fit. After completing a series of tasks, we interviewed the user and discovered what they liked about the app, what they didn't like, etc. Two things that we learned is that barcode scanning is a must. All users recommended having some quicker, lower friction way to add ingredients to the pantry, and that is our top priority for next prototype. From there, we also need to be able to link multiple users to the same household, otherwise there's lots of duplicated efforts. What we need to learn going forward is for our next prototype, the top priority will be how to enable the user to update their personal inventory in the lowest friction possible way. The two obvious ways are barcode scanning and image recognition, although we will most likely pursue barcode scanning as that seems much more viable. So for our next prototype, that will be our main plan, is implementing barcode scanning and conducting the same testing protocol with the same exact users. And then just a note, our business model canvas did not change at all. Our architectural decisions stayed the same going forward. All we did was gain insight into how exactly we should implement those features that we knew we were going to. Thank you.